Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with CreativeCrafticality, and today I have some junk journals that I would like to show you and that I will be putting up in my Etsy shop. I will put the link for my Etsy shop down below. So these are my Valentine release. At the end of this video, I will be revealing the winner to my Etsy launch giveaway that I held in December. I apologize for the delay on that. But anyway, just follow through on this video and we'll find out who won. I have two different styles here. There's like a more romantic, shabby chic style, and then a more traditional red and pink Valentine style. These are lunch sack junk journals. And each book has around, I think there's 16 pages, so 32 sides approximately, and they are about 4 1/4 by 4 1/4. I think this one's just a little bit smaller than this one. So I have 5 of each style available, and each one has a different cover. I'll show you the covers here. This first one here is I Love Life. And then this one is You Make Me Smile. Here's a Beautiful. And Live the Dream. And the last one of this style is Lovely. And then for the red ones, I have this really cute one with a vintage image on the front there. I have this with the little teacups. This really cute one here with a little boy and girl. Another one with a little boy and girl. And then the last one here is with this cute little brown puppy. So I'll pull out a little bit here. So I'll just flip through one of them because they are pretty much very similar on the inside. Open this one up here. It is tied up with some vintage fabric straps, and it also has some vintage fabric back behind here, and then vintage lace throughout. And I will be including some vintage Valentine images with this one, just as like journaling cards. I didn't want to include it in here just in case you didn't necessarily want to use it for Valentine's. You could use it for a wedding gift, or you know, a little girl's birthday, because I didn't put any Happy Valentine's Day like sayings or anything. It's just all hearts and pink and gold and white. So let me flip through it here. This first pocket has a tag. I have lots of tea-dyed papers and vintage papers, ledger paper. I dyed with red food coloring, and that's what all the pink paper is. And I used one of the paper pads from Michael's for this pack, or for this book. It's really pretty vintage lace there. Here's a little tuck spot. And I will include with each book a little packet of extras. There's a vintage book page there. And a little tuck spot. And this is just a little piece of paper to do some journaling on. Tuck spot there. This says, follow your heart, it knows the way. It's a piece of vellum that I embossed. And this is a little frame that I left open on the bottom so you could stick a picture in there if you wanted. Some vintage sheet music there. Another little journaling card tuck there. It's a tuck spot with some vintage embroidered trim. So a little flip out. Another little tag there. Lots of places for journaling and putting pictures, of course. This was the old teacher's planner that I had found. Tuck spot. Other end of the bag. And that's the last page. And you can glue this shut if you want, or you can just use it as a little open flap there. So that's that style. And as I said, these are all similar here, just has different pocket or different covers. So in this one, these are all tied up with some red gingham. This one happens to be different because I ran out of the skinnier one. So this is just a little bit thicker ribbon, but it's pretty much the same. There's a little pocket up there for a tag. And when I forgot to show you too, that there is a pocket on the front of this one. I just didn't show you that. Right in here. Let's see here. And I will include a tag in there. I just forgot to do that. It's skinnier than this one, so here, I'll put this one in there for now. There's a little text spot right there. So just like that. All right, so I'll show you this one. Here is a little journaling card in there. Little tuck of paper, some graph paper, doilies, a tag, here's a little doily and some vintage ribbon there. It's got kind of folded up. Another little journaling paper there. Some vintage book page. Here's a little tuck spot. There's a love ticket there. And as I said, I will include more vintage images. I have some actual vintage Valentines that I will be including with this package. Just a little banner piece there. Here's a flip out. Another tag that says Happy Valentine's Day. Frame, tuck spot, so lots of places for pictures, journaling, and tucks to put memorabilia. And there's the back. Oh, I didn't show you the back of this one. It has a smaller heart on it. Each book will also include a paperclip charm. On the pink books, there is a little charm that is a pink heart, and then also a round gold charm that has a heart and it says love on one side, so that's there. And then the red books have the same gold round with the heart and love on one side, and then it has another little charm that says a saying, either joy or love, or let's see, live I think was one of them, and yeah, there's a couple more, but anyway, those are also included. Now to reveal my giveaway winner, I went to commentpicker.com, and congratulations, Crystal from Happy to Plan, you are my giveaway winner. So if you message me through Instagram, send me your address, and I will get your prize out to you. Go ahead and check out my Etsy shop. These will be in there, and as well as some paper clips and tassels. So I hope you check those out. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.